Welcome to JHack Creative. In this video, you will learn how to render realistic shadow on a transparent background using Blender 4.3. Open Blender and delete the default cube. Add your main object by pressing Shift A. Go to Mesh and choose any shape. Then add a plane. This will catch the shadow. Scale it up by pressing the S key. Press Shift A and add a light. You can use an area light, a sunlight. Position and rotate the light so that it casts clear shadow on the plane. Press numpad 0 to enter the camera view. Adjust the camera using G to move and R to rotate. Go to the Render Properties tab. Shadow Catcher is not fully supported in EV. For the best result, use the Cycle engine. Scroll down to the Frame section and check the Transparent option. Go to Output Properties. Set the format to PNG and enable RGBA for transparency. Select the plane, go to the Object Properties tab, orange square icon. Scroll to the Visibility section and enable Shadow Catcher. Now your background will be invisible and only your object and its shadow will appear. Press F12 to render the image. Once it's done, go to Image, Save As, and save your file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AJ Creative for more Blender tutorials.